Kyosho Landmax, still on the richer side because I just finished braking with this engine. So we're going to let it warm up a little bit. Body for it, unfortunately. This is a cool little car though. Gets up and boogies a little bit. The original tires that are on it right now are a little bit lacking in the sense of they're a little bit dry rotted, so they're very, I mean they're not too bad, but they lose grip easily. Like I couldn't drive this in the grass at all, but dirt probably be cool. Four-wheel drive works perfect. He's actually a buddy of mine. He got it from his neighbor for free. And it was just a complete rust bucket. I was like, hey man, just send it to me, I'll rebuild it. I'll get it going real good for you and send it back to you. So I'm gonna have it for a little while, get it going real good. I mean, it's going pretty good right now. And then eventually I'll send it back to you. But I'm gonna have some fun with it first. she's fun. She's cool little car. Glad I got her running more. The grass is a little bit too tall. This thing's fun. Because they were meant to be like little rally cars, you know? Or at least my understanding of it. I believe he has like a Skyline GTR body for it. And one other body, I'm not sure what it is. But it runs good. Fun little car, definitely. I'm gonna try and convince him to let me keep it. It's the original servos that are on it. Actually, they're neither, but they're the ones that came on the car when he gave it to me, and they work pretty good. So didn't change them out. Fun little car. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try and convince him to let me keep it. But, alright, see you guys around.